Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy 4th of July. At least it's 4th of July when I'm filming this. I'm not sure when it's actually gonna go up. Maybe I can get it up by the end of the day today. But I'm gonna be spending the majority of my day cleaning up my room because it is a disaster zone. You know, normal people would be spending this day with their family, having barbecues, maybe at the beach, at the pool. But today is my first day off of work it's been a few weeks actually, and my room has just slowly become a disaster zone, so I want to tidy this up before I do anything else because it's just driving me crazy. I can't live in a messy space. I lost my voice yesterday. I actually work at a summer camp in the summer. I'm a director of a summer camp, which means I'm running the whole show from start to finish and dealing with a bunch of kids all day. So I'm there from 8 o'clock in the morning until yesterday. I didn't get home until 6 or 7. So my days have been pretty crazy because from there I also go to my other jobs. I have 6 jobs at the moment that I do during the day, in the afternoon, in the evening, on the weekends, in the background of everything, you know, running social media and all that stuff. So it's been pretty crazy, very busy, and my room has been suffering for it. And I actually want to list a few things on my Depop today, and I do need to run an errand. I want to get one more shelf for my closet right in the middle right there to have more room for shoes because I've outgrown the shoe rack part of my closet already, and I do actually want to sell a few of my shoes that I'm not wearing anymore, so that's going to go up on my Depop. If you're interested in anything, I will link my Depop in the description box below. Another thing that I want to do today is swap out my handbag because I've been using my Gucci bag since I got it in September, and I kind of want to wear a different bag for summer because I do have some other ones that are just kind of sitting. So I'm going to swap up my bag for the summertime. So that's what we're going to get up to today. And if you're interested in seeing a lot of really fun time lapses of me organizing my room, then go ahead and keep on watching.
You said the same thing I told you.
Okay, so first things first, I need to deal with this situation right here, all my handbags. I just emptied out my Gucci bag right here. This is everything that I've been shoving in it, and I've actually been using this backpack, this Marc Jacobs one, a lot for camp recently, so I have a lot of stuff in here that I need to clear out. But first things first, I kind of want to put my hair up before I do this. Bobble actually came out with a slim version of their hair rings, the Invisibobbles. I love these. I had the original one. I don't know where it is right now. It's like somewhere in this mess, but they were a lot thicker. This one's thinner, and it actually holds my hair a lot better. So I've been using this a ton, and it comes in a bunch of different colors also, but I just have the black one. And the other one's in my car. So it comes in a pack of 3, and I love it. And I kind of want to put some chapstick on. Look at this packaging, by the way, this YSL lip tint. It's stunning. It just adds a really subtle color to the lips while also hydrating them, because also just like adds a little bit of life back to your face. And it comes in a bunch of different colors as well. And the packaging is pretty. But yeah, so I kind of need to organize that situation, and then I need to figure out which handbag I want to use.
My eyes are clear, there's no secret. I wanna know, was it serious? I need it clear, my best friend.
I haven't used my Marc Jacobs Madison tool in a while, so I'm just gonna put it in its dust bag, and I'm gonna keep it on the top shelf of my closet.
It's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing. My love, trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something.
So in order to store my Gucci bag, I'm gonna put it back in the box that it came with. I've been keeping that case in there. I'm gonna put it into this little dust bag that it came with, and I'm actually gonna be stuffing it with some paper, which I have in another box somewhere up there. So I'm gonna stuff the bag, keep it in its dust bag, and then put it away in its box.
I think we're made of something. I keep my time in a pocket. I wanna find a new my shoulders. I know I told you. It's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing. My love, trying to hold my feeling out.
So the first thing that I'm going to sell are these Stuart Weitzman heels. They're really pretty. They're a suede open-toe mule. They're stunning. I wore them literally around the house one time. I bought them from Nordstrom Rack. I got a great deal on them. They were $150 instead of $500. So, I mean, I still have them in the box and everything. They're stunning. It's just that because I have such a small leg, small calf, narrow foot, long legs, because it's such a chunky top part of the shoe and a chunky heel, these kind of just look weird on my foot and on my leg. They look good on my mom, but they're not the right size for her. So I'm going to be listing these on my Depop. I'm actually going to do that right now. I'm going to open up my app, take a few pictures, and get that on there. Okay, those are up and listed now. The next thing I want to put on my Depop are these two fanny packs. This one is a Puma one. This one is a Kipling one. I haven't worn them in a long time. And this one's great because it opens right here and you can just slip things in on this side. And then there's a zipper on this side to have your stuff a little bit more secure. And then this one is more of like a waterproof material. This one's leather. And you have a zipper here and a zipper here. And a zipper in the back as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and list these two on there as well.
Find the best way I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something. I think we're made of something. Hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something.
Another thing I want to sell are these pair of shoes right here. These are Sam Edelman. They're really pretty and super comfortable. I just barely wear them anymore and they're in perfect condition. So I'm going to put these on my Depop next as well. And these are a size 9, I think. Yes, size 9. So I just got these shoes in the mail last night. I ordered them the other day from Barney's because I saw them and I was like, oh my god, these are so cool. Adidas Originals posted a picture of them and then I finally found them online. They are a men's sneaker, but look at them. They're so cool. They kind of have like a vintage vibe. They remind me of my Xtaballs mixed in with, I don't even know what's going on here, but these are really cool shoes. So as soon as I get my shelf later today at some point, I'm going to have these up there next to my Gucci ones and I don't know what else, but I'm overflowing with shoes over here.
You said the same thing I told ya. My eyes are clear, there's no secret. I wanna know, was it serious? I need it clear, my best friend. Isn't easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I told you, it's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing. My love, trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way I think that I might.
Next order of business, I actually have to take my vitamins. I keep them in this pill holder that I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's amazing. So every day I take quite a few vitamins actually. The first one that I take is a vitamin B12 because I am deficient. I'm also deficient in vitamin D, so I take that. And I take aloe vera for my stomach, and I take cranberry also for just to keep my urinary tract nice and healthy. I take turmeric also for my stomach and bloating, and I take a 1-a-day multivitamin. So I just found my original bobble hair tie and I wanted to compare it to the slim one for you guys. So you guys can see this one is a lot thicker and bigger. This one is just a lot more, just like, I don't know. Looks better on the wrist also than this one. This one's a lot more chunky. So this is the one that I've been using a ton and I love it. Okay, so I've kind of like organized my day-to-day different types of needs bags. And we have them over here. So this backpack, this is the Marc by Marc Jacobs leather backpack that I've had for years. I use this every day for camp. It's easier to have all my stuff on my back so my hands are free, especially because we go on trips every single day. So I have a first aid kit in here all the time. My water bottle fits in here, my lunch, everything, just super easy. So this is what I use on a day-to-day in the daytime. And then I'm going to be using this Goyard clutch as my handbag for the summer. I just think that it's a lot of fun and it has a nice pop of yellow on the inside and it fits everything in here really easily and it has a ton of room in here. So I'm going to be using that. It's nice and packed up with my stuff right now. Then to match with that, this is actually my work/book bag. As I mentioned, I'm studying to get my personal training certification at the moment, so I have my textbook in here, my notebook, and just like other work bits because I do work for a gym at the moment. I run their social media, I do their outreach, I recruit new clients, and a bunch of other stuff, so that's just like all my work stuff is in there and it's easy to just grab that and go. And then this is my workout bag. This I got in one of my FabFitFun boxes. I can't remember which one it was now, but I keep my boxing gloves in here and my hand wraps. So they're a mess right now. I actually need to wrap them up because they're just getting into a huge knot. And then I just like throw a water bottle and a jacket and stuff like that in here when I'm running out the door. So these are like my grab and go bags. They're nice and set up. And the next order of business is actually up here. So I really want to get rid of these two shelves. I bought them from Target a year ago. They're really bad. No matter what my dad and I did when we were installing them, we could not get them to be leveled because they were such bad quality and they were just like not measuring in well. I don't know, it was just a disaster. It took forever. So I took pretty much everything off of them. This is just some faux flowers and I have some coasters. And then we have 3 of my perfumes that I don't really wear anymore, but they're pretty bottles, so I like to keep them out on display. And then I have this really pretty crystal and this little just tray that I have up here. So I'm going to be taking this down today. I just haven't decided if I want to put 3 prints here or if I want to put a TV/monitor so that it's easier for me to see when I'm filming because I'll have a monitor up here to see instead of a tiny little flip out screen. But I feel like I don't know how great it is to have a TV in the bedroom, but then also I watch everything on my laptop in my bedroom anyways, so I don't know. I'd probably get like some sort of smart TV that would connect to my Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, all that type of stuff. And then I would watch maybe with like Bluetooth headphones so that I don't disrupt anybody who's like sleeping or anything like that when I'm watching at night. So we'll see. I'm gonna look online. If you guys have any like TVs that you recommend or whatever, let me know in the comment section below. So I think that's pretty much it. It's now noon. My room is now nice and tidy, and oh, I wanted to go and order some closet doors today too, from I think Home Depot. I'm going to do that eventually, and then we have a barbecue later tonight, but for the next few hours I'm going to go hang out in the sun and see if I can get some color. If you guys enjoyed today's video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.